They are light, comfortable and convenient. Yes, we are talking about the friendly yet fun scooters that have taken the Indian market by storm. Scooters have managed to grab the attention of everyone from an 18-year-old to a 60-year-old, and it is the sheer convenience that has made them so popular over the past decade. So, if you are in the market looking for your first two-wheeler, scooters are the way to go. And these are the most popular scooters on sale in India right now. The Honda Activa was launched nearly 2 decades ago and is now synonymous with scooters in the country. It is, after all, India's most selling scooter, and Honda Two Wheelers India has made sure to give the model timely updates over the past years. The all-new Honda Activa 6G was launched earlier this year and brings the most comprehensive upgrades to the scooter, including a new platform, larger wheels, telescopic front forks, and a BS6 compliant engine. The scooter also gets a silent start feature, an engine kill switch, and an external fuel filler, all of which make it a feature-rich proposition. While the Honda Activa rules the segment, the TVS Jupiter has come close to challenging its dominance. It is India's second best-selling scooter and a sought-after alternative to the Activa. The Jupiter was also upgraded to the BS6 emission norms earlier this year and has received thoughtful additions including an LED headlamp, fuel injection technology, USB charger, among other new features. TVS claims that the new Jupiter is about 15% more fuel efficient than its predecessor, which makes it a compelling buy. The Suzuki Access 125 has cemented its position as the most popular offering in the 125cc segment. And that comes from strong performance, a lightweight body, reliable technology and a frugal engine. With the BS6 version introduced in 2020, the Access 125 has also received several new features including an LED headlamp, external fuel filler cap, USB charging socket and an updated instrument cluster with a voltage meter. With the update, the Suzuki Access 125 retains its leadership in the segment despite new competition. The TVS Ntorq 125 is one of the sportiest scooters on sale in India and remains one of the most exciting offerings for young riders. The Ntorq 125 comes with an aircraft-inspired funky design that looks sharp, and the 124cc motor packs a solid punch. It is the only scooter to get Bluetooth connectivity in its segment and comes with several segment-first features including navigation assist, caller ID, location assist and more. The Ntorq 125 gets a pocket-friendly price, and the promising power-to-price ratio makes it an apt choice for many in this space. The Aprilia SR160 was launched earlier this year, replacing the Aprilia SR150. The scooter is one of the most performance-friendly two-wheelers on sale in India, and the updated model now packs a larger 160cc single-cylinder engine with fuel injection that meets the BS6 emission norms. The new engine gets a mild power increase over the BS4 version, while offering incredible performance with a balanced chassis, larger 14-inch wheels and a lean frame. It is also one of the best looking scooters on sale in India right now and continues to set the benchmark for performance in the scooter segment. And that's our pick of the top scooters on sale in the country. Do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments below.